Focus in on earnings now. Bharti Airtel posted a robust set of numbers in the fourth quarter. Its net profit on a standalone basis surged as much as 164% to 2,000 crore rupees, over 2,000 crore rupees. And in fact, its revenue from operations grew by a healthy 22% as well, stood at 31,500 crore rupees during the quarter. And what's more, its average revenue per user has also improved by as much as 9.2%. It came in at 178 rupees. The company's board has recommended a dividend of 3 rupees per fully paid up equity share. Soumit Sarkar has more details in this report.
Bharti Airtel numbers on a consolidated basis, if you see, it's slightly below what analysts were expecting. Analysts were expecting the revenue number to be close to 31,800 crore rupees, but the company has reported a revenue of close to 31,500 crore rupees. Similarly, on the EBITDA front, if you see, it's a 1% miss when compared to what analysts were expecting, but the net profit number, that has come in much ahead of what analysts were expecting on the back of an exceptional gain, lower finance cost, and a sharp fall in the other expenses. On a sequential basis, if you see, the other expenses have declined by nearly 10%. Now, the India mobile business, that is the key business segment for Bharti Airtel, the numbers have come in pretty much strong. The revenues have increased by nearly 9.5%. EBITDA has grown by nearly 12%, while the ARPU, that is the key number, has increased by nearly 9% to close to 178 user per month. Now, if you see the subscriber base, that has also remained pretty much stable at 32.6 crore. Now, on the back of the stable subscriber base and higher ARPU on a sequential basis, the India mobile business has outperformed in the fourth quarter of FY22. Now, if you see the broadband business, the numbers were pretty much strong on that front also. The revenue and EBITDA both have increased by nearly 10% on a sequential basis. However, the DTH business, now that has reported a subdued set of numbers. In fact, the revenue has declined on a sequential basis, but the enterprise business has reported pretty much inline set of numbers compared to last quarter. Now, as Airtel was the last telecom operator to report numbers, let's see how the company's performance stands when compared to Jio and Vodafone Idea. Now, if you see in the fourth quarter, Airtel has yet again grown at a much faster pace compared to Jio and Vodafone Idea, and this has happened for the second consecutive quarter now. Also, do remember, in the fourth quarter, Airtel was the only operator to increase its user base on a sequential basis. Its user base has increased by nearly 1.2%, while that of Vodafone Idea and Reliance Jio has declined on a sequential basis.